M-KOPA, the most controversial phone financing company. Across Kenya, thousands of users have found themselves staring at locked screens, unable to access their devices after missing payments. While some accepted the restrictions, others searched for ways to regain full access. Soon, videos, rumors, and unlocking methods began spreading across the internet. But could a phone really be unlocked with calls, mobile data, SMS, and everyday apps working again? Let's begin by heading to System Settings and scrolling down to About Phone. Tap on About Phone. As you can see, this device is an M-KOPA X30 running on Android 15. Now go back to the previous menu and tap on System, then Gestures, followed by Navigation Mode. Set the navigation mode to 3-button navigation, as shown. Go back to the previous menu, scroll up to Display, tap on Display, and set the screen timeout to 30 minutes, as shown. These are the mandatory system configuration steps for the method to work. To confirm the Softlock version, tap on App Manager, then tap the 3 dots in the top right corner of App Manager. Next, tap App Usage, then Softlock, followed by Softlock App Info. As you can see, this device is running Softlock version 6.3.4. Before we continue, if you would like to stop your device from updating to the latest Softlock version 6.5.10, feel free to contact me for more information. Now, let's get back into it. Tap on View in Settings, then tap on Notifications and turn off the Softlock notifications, as shown. Once done, go back and tap on Open by default and turn it off, as shown. These mandatory steps must be performed for the method to work. To confirm that calls are working, tap on the phone app and select a phone number to call. Watch closely. As you can see, the call goes through successfully. If the Softlock were still active, you would instead see a pop-up message saying, "Only emergency calls are allowed." The fact that the call connects confirms that the calling function is working. As you can see, the device is currently locked with Softlock version 6.3.4. Before we begin the process, you'll need an Airtel SIM card. Insert the SIM card into SIM slot 1, as shown, then insert it into the phone. The moment the SIM card is inserted, Softlock detects it, confirming that the device has recognized our SIM card. Now tap Connectivity Settings, then tap SIMs. Before moving on, make sure mobile data is turned off, as shown. With everything now set up, go back to the Softlock screen. Press and hold both the power button and the volume down button at the same time until the device automatically turns off and then turns back on. This performs a force restart, bringing us to the next stage of the process. Let's wait for the device to turn on. Before you perform this method, ensure your Softlock displays the message "Network locking is active." Once the device turns on, ensure the Airtel network is working, as shown. Now input your PIN, and immediately swipe up. Open the SIM Toolkit app, then tap Airtel Money. Now, all that's left to do is wait for a moment. In this section, a pop-up notification for OTG settings will appear, and at the same time, the screen will automatically switch back to the Airtel Money section. Once that happens, tap on Airtel Money again, and wait in that section for a moment. With that complete, go back and open any game on your device. Start using it for about 3 to 4 minutes. If the device doesn't lock, you have successfully performed the bypass process. Now that the bypass process is complete, let's finalize everything to ensure the device is working correctly. Tap on the phone app and select a number to call. As you can see, the call goes through successfully. Now go back, swipe down the notification panel, and turn on mobile data. As you can see, mobile data is working perfectly. When we open the Facebook app, it loads successfully. As you can also see, we can lock the device and enter our PIN without the soft lock appearing. The device will remain in this state unless you swipe down the notification panel, and swipe the notification to the right. As shown, the device locks immediately.
Ndo hii method iwork perfectly, unafaa kuinstall iOS launcher. So you install the app from the Play Store. Okay, after that unafaa kuitap, then utap start. After that unafinya agree, then you leave the app like that, usifanye kitu yoyote. So the second app to install ni App Manager. You need to install App Manager from the link in the description, and you need to watch this video here ndo ujue how to set it.